In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to click on Features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use the switcher at the top to activate it. Following that, decide if you wish to see your little screen as a small window or a half screen by applying one of those options. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. In my case, when using virtual navigation, so I have to hold the back button, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds, one-handed mode is on. To go back, in this case at the half screen, you can swipe up or click on this dark area. If you decided to use your one-handed mode as small window, just click on black area over here. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!